Hi guys, we're going to talk to you about a website called Prezi today. So first, before we start, we're going to make sure that everyone has a Prezi account. So please everyone click on sign up on the top right corner. Alright, and now because there is a version with more features that's free for students and teachers, we're going to click on the students and teachers link. And we're going to get the EDU Enjoy version by clicking Start Now. Then you're going to enter in your Brandeis email address in the box. And once you've submitted your email address, you should get an email with a link to register. And once you give all the correct information necessary, you should be able to get access to this version and you'll have a successful Prezi account. So now we're going to log in and start our presentation.
So here we are. This is our Prezi presentation that we made on Prezi. And now let's get to it. Hello, my name is John.
I'm Jared.
Hi, I'm Soha.
And I'm Zach. Okay, so first we're going to start with what is Prezi. Prezi is a cloud-based site utilized to create presentations. With Prezi, you can create presentations that are more visually captivating than your standard software. It is a great resource for businesses, conference, education, collaborative design, and even managing your portfolio. What is cloud-based, you ask? Cloud-based means that this is a resource that is available through your internet server as opposed to being stored on your hard drive.
Now we're going to get into the idea of a presentation program, which is what Prezi is. So in the role of a presentation program, there are three tasks. One is the insertion and formatting of text. Two is the insertion and manipulation of graphic images. And three is the use of a slideshow or some other organized method to display content. Now I'm going to discuss a little of the presentation program history. So its origins were in the late 1960s and early 1970s. Presentation graphics ran on software at huge, expensive workstation managed by skilled operators, as you can see on the right. Then in the mid-1980s, it became more commercial. So it was focused on an easier way to make last-minute changes and faster slide production. It generated 35mm slides to go into slide projectors or transparencies for overhead projectors, as you can see on the right. And the whole good part about the 80s was that it became more commercial and accessible to the average person. Then in the 1990s, transparencies and physical slides became obsolete as the switch was made to video projectors. And today, presentation programs are accessible in computer and online applications at little to no cost. The overall significance is that these programs have made it possible for anyone with a computer or internet access to create professional-looking presentations. Examples of common presentation programs. I'm sure most of you have heard of PowerPoint or Keynote, but there's also Slide Rocket, and we're going to show you Prezi.
So this slide shows you the differences between Prezi and PowerPoint, which we all know how to use. As you can see, one of the main differences is the navigation of it. And this basically means that the slides can navigate in a 360-degree field. Next, there is the map layout of Prezi. When you want to navigate between the different slides, you just see it as an overall map. Whereas with PowerPoint, it's a slide stack that you just see each slide on top of each other. Next, there is the view change by zoom, which you can zoom in and out of, which you cannot do on PowerPoint. And obviously, Prezi is web-based, whereas PowerPoint is computer-based. And with Prezi, there is limited printing options, and there are multiple printing options for PowerPoint, as you can print more than one slide per page. All right, so we're just going to take you through a brief history of Prezi. This website was sprung off of Zooming user interface. This is a special software designed so that people can zoom in and out of documents while they have the capability of viewing other documents simultaneously. This was created by architect and visual artist Adam Sumlai Fisher, who started using the ZUI software since 2001, and with the use of it, he was able to take his work to a new level. Basically, Prezi is the marriage of his passion for visual arts and his vast knowledge of this technology. The prototypes for the site were created around 2007 with the help of a few others, and in April of 2009, Prezi was launched in Budapest, and it only took a couple of months for it to be launched internationally.
So now we're ready. Now that we've learned all about presentation software and how it came to be, let's now find out what we can do with Prezi.
So some of the features of Prezi is that it's a non-linear presentation. It emphasizes zooming and panning. You can break away from the slide by slide. It generates paths for storyline. It allows for simple edit tools such as formatting, moving, scaling, and rotating, and entering text multimedia files. Also, you can make a storyline using photos, videos, and other multimedia files to create a cinematic experience. On Prezi.com, there are tutorials, so they're kind of like cheat sheets, online tutorials, full tutorial videos prepared by Prezi to help you. So this is one of the videos, and on our actual presentation, you can view it if you'd like. So throughout the semester, we learned about incredible possibilities the internet has given us. As we discussed in the social life of information, working from home or remote offices have allowed people to do something or connect together even if they are in different parts of the world. With the Prezi meeting feature, people can work on or watch a presentation together in different locations with the comforts of co-temporality and simultaneity. So whether working on a Prezi in a more co-located or sparsely located environment, groups can effectively create a joint presentation. You can invite to view, you can invite your audience to watch your presentation online, and they can join you and listen to you as you are presenting, and you can invite to edit as well. As a group, you can come together on the Prezi platform to work together to create a project together, even if the rest of the group is scattered around the globe. You can work, edit, publish, connect, and do many more things. And this is a video showing that you can watch in the actual presentation. In the bonus feature, you can Prezify your PowerPoints. Prezi allows you to give your PowerPoints a whole new dimension. Presentations can look exotic and unique with the zooming and movement functions of Prezi. Prezi can make doing school reports fun and enjoyable by its catchy technological aspects.
One easy way to start in Prezi.
And this is a video showing you how to Prezify your slides, which you can watch in our actual presentation.
So, a new knowledge community? Prezi.com offers many question and answers and blogs for people to ask questions, answer, teach, learn, and share their own Prezis that they've created about various projects.
Prezi is created to break the typical slide-to-slide presentation understanding that other applications offered. It supports multimedia usage during presentations. It also allows for storytelling features and map-based brainstorming. It allows for non-collocation and co-temporal meetings. With blogs, tutorials, and shared Prezis, a new type of knowledge community is being formed.
Now I'm going to take you through creating a new Prezi. So let's go to Prezi.com. And now here I'm logged in. And let's create a new Prezi called, let's say it's called Prezi. And description is Prezi is awesome. So we hit new Prezi. And it gives us a couple of templates that were already designed. You can choose either one of them, but right now we're going to choose blank, and we hit start editing, and this is our canvas right here. On the left top corner, we have our toolbar. On here we can add a new frame, or we can insert image, a YouTube video, or another file, or shapes if you like. And then we can add another frame. For example, let's create a frame like that. Or we can choose some colors and fonts or some other templates that were designed. And we will generate paths. So before we do that, let's type a text in. And once this editable text box appears, you can either use alignments or bullets or text indentation or colors, or there are some predefined fonts over here. Let's see, let's write Prezi and hit OK. So we have Prezi there. And if we would like to delete it, we can hit delete by hitting the trash can. Or if you wish to undo that, you can go up and click undo. And now let's write something else in here. And then let's write something else over here. And then let's find a picture of Prezi on Google. And if we copy the image URL, and then when we go back, we can insert image, and if we copy the image URL and paste it onto here, then Prezi will get our picture for us. Now that we have our picture, we're ready to create a path. In the meantime, it's important to note that this is what Prezi calls a zebra. If you would like to make a font larger, you can hit plus or minus. If you would like to rotate it, you can hit the outer circle and then rotate it around. Or if you'd like to make it bigger or smaller, you can drag the inner circle in or out. Alright, now that we're done with that, we hit the exit button, and then now let's invite some other people to edit it with me. So this is the link to my project. I copy the link, and then I go to my email, and I send this link to my friend Soha. So when Soha gets the link, she will log in, and in the meantime, I'll go back to editing and wait for Soha. When Soha clicks on the link, she will see that, oh, there she is. This is Soha. She will first come to the website in the presentation mode, so she has to hit X in order to be in the editing mode. Now that we're here, we're going to watch Soha create a path for our presentation. So in order to do that, let's go to Path and see what's going on. There you go. Soha is clicking on 1 and 2. Here, there you go, 3. And then 4. Okay, so now let's go back and watch the show. Here we go, Prezi. We hit next on our keyboard arrow is awesome. And here's our storyline. Well, thank you so much for listening, and I hope this has been useful, and I hope you start creating Prezis the way we did and have a lot of fun doing it. Thank you.